You? Early? Always? Ha! When pigs fly.
Pigs that fly? A blue moon in the sky?
And time with little wings?
In English, people really say these things.
But what do they mean? Stay here. Let's find out.
Hello, friends. Today we have 4 funny people for you, Frank and Betty, and Tom and Lisa.
They love English, but they make some very funny mistakes.
Don't worry, we'll keep everything simple, slow, and fun. You'll learn with them.
And today's big expression is time flies. So here's a question for you. How do you say time flies in your language?
Yes, write it in the comments and tell us which language it is. We love reading them.
Ready? Let's start with Frank and Betty.
Betty, this movie is too good.
Yes, it's so exciting.
Look, he doesn't know. He's behind the door.
Shh, watch. Oh, one little thing, Frank. You said, this movie is too good.
Yes, too good. The best.
But too good sounds like a problem. We say so good or really good.
A problem? No. Too is a big word, Betty. Too much, too many, big. So too good is big good. The most good.
I see your idea. But listen, too means there is a problem. The coffee is too hot, you can't drink it. This box is too big, you can't carry it.
So too good means I can't watch it?
Exactly. Too good sounds strange. For a great movie, we say so good or really good.
The movie is so good.
Yeah.
The movie is really good.
Yes. Perfect.
This movie is so good. Look, Betty, I can still watch it. No problem. See?
Now it's correct. Oh, Frank, time flies when the movie is this good.
Flies?
Yes, time flies.
Where? Flies in the house? Shoo, not on my popcorn.
Frank, no.
Did you open the window? They came in.
I don't see them, but you heard them. Flies.
Okay, Frank. Okay, calm down. There are no flies.
But you said.
Time flies. It's an expression. It means time goes very, very fast.
Time goes fast. Like flying?
Exactly. Time flies when you're having fun. The movie is so good, so 2 hours felt like 2 minutes.
Oh, not the little insects. The time is flying.
Yes.
Time flies, and the movie is so good.
Quick, Betty, let's watch the end before the time flies away.
Okay. Eyes on the TV.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
Oh, is this restaurant really good? Oh, is this restaurant really good?
The food here is so good. The food here is so good.
Aw, time flies when we are with friends. Aw, time flies when we are with friends.
Wow, is it night already? Time flies. Wow, is it night already? Time flies.
Did you write how you say time flies? Don't forget, put it in the comments.
And if you like this video, tap the like button. It helps us a lot.
Now, again, Frank and Betty, this time at the bus stop.
No, 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 wait!
Oh, Betty. We lost the bus.
The next one comes in 30 minutes.
Gone. Completely gone. I can't even see it.
It's okay. We'll wait. You know what you said, Frank? We lost the bus.
Yes, lost. It's gone. I can't see it, so we lost it.
I know, Frank, but a bus doesn't hide from you. It just leaves without you. So we say, we missed it.
Missed? How can I miss a bus? Betty, I miss you. I miss our children. I miss them so much. But a big, noisy bus? I don't miss the bus. Oh, Betty, you are so funny.
No, listen. Miss has two meanings.
Two.
One, you feel sad when someone is gone. I miss you. Two, you are too late, so it leaves. I miss the bus.
Oh, so I missed the bus means I was too slow and it left me?
Exactly.
We missed the bus, which is still very bad.
Yes, but now it's correct English.
From tomorrow, I'm always early. Never late again. I promise.
You? Early? Always? Ha! When pigs fly.
Pigs? Flying pigs? Where? I don't see them. Where are the flying pigs, Betty? Up there. Is that one?
No.
A pig with wings. I must see this. Pink wings? Big wings?
Okay, calm down. There are no flying pigs.
No pigs? But you said.
When pigs fly. It's an expression. It means never. It will never happen.
So? Pigs can't fly. Never?
Exactly. When I say you'll be early when pigs fly, I mean it will never happen. You are always a little late.
Betty, that is not nice, but maybe a little true.
A little.
When pigs fly, I love it. Betty, I will be early tomorrow and look at the pigs.
Now you understand.
And still no bus. 29 more minutes.
Good. Time to practice your new words.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
Oh no, did you miss your flight? Oh no, did you miss your flight?
I missed the bus again this morning. I missed the bus again this morning.
He will clean his room when pigs fly. He will clean his room when pigs fly.
Will he wake up early? When pigs fly. Will he wake up early? When pigs fly. Still thinking about time flies? Write it down. We read every comment.
And don't forget to tap like.
Now, meet Tom and Lisa on the balcony under the moon.
Huh? No! Lisa, my phone is empty.
Oh no, and the moon looks so beautiful tonight.
Nothing. No light, no photo, empty.
One small thing, Tom. We don't say, my phone is empty.
We don't? But look, nothing inside. No battery. Empty. Like an empty cup. Like an empty box.
I know what you mean. But for a phone, we say, my phone is dead. Or, the battery is dead. And when the battery is almost finished, we say, my phone is dying.
Dead? My phone is not alive, Lisa. How can it die? It has no heart.
I know, it's strange. But that's what people say. My phone died. Means there's no battery.
My phone is dead. The battery is dead.
Yes, perfect.
My poor phone. Rest now. But the moon is still here.
It's okay. We don't need a photo. We come here once in a blue moon anyway.
Blue moon? Where? The moon is blue tonight? I see white. It looks white to me. Is it blue? Lisa, is it blue?
No, look.
Maybe a little blue? On the side? Should we wait? When does it turn blue?
Okay, the moon is not blue.
Not blue? But you said blue moon.
Once in a blue moon is an expression. It means very, very rarely. Almost never.
Not a blue moon in the sky, it means. Not often?
Exactly. I eat cake once in a blue moon. It means I almost never eat cake.
Oh, once in a blue moon. So, I clean my room once in a blue moon.
Yes, that part is very true.
Once in a blue moon. I like it. No photo tonight.
Next time, with a full battery.
Yes, a moon photo. Once in a blue moon.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
Oh no, is your phone dead again? Oh no, is your phone dead again?
My battery is dying. I need a charger. My battery is dying. I need a charger.
We see snow here once in a blue moon. We see snow here once in a blue moon.
Does he visit you once in a blue moon? Does he visit you once in a blue moon?
Now let's review everything we learned today.
Let's say them all together one more time. Here we go.
Is this restaurant really good? Is this restaurant really good?
The food here is so good. The food here is so good.
Ah, time flies when we are with friends. Ah, time flies when we are with friends.
Wow, is it night already? Time flies. Wow, is it night already? Time flies. I missed the bus again this morning. I missed the bus again this morning.
He will clean his room when pigs fly. He will clean his room when pigs fly.
Will he wake up early? When pigs fly. Will he wake up early? When pigs fly.
Oh no, is your phone dead again? Oh no, is your phone dead again?
My battery is dying. I need a charger. My battery is dying. I need a charger.
We see snow here once in a blue moon. We see snow here once in a blue moon.
Does he visit you once in a blue moon? Does he visit you once in a blue moon?
And that's it for today. You learned 3 fun expressions and a lot of natural English.
Now we have one little job for you. How do you say time flies in your language?
Write it in the comments and tell us which language it is. We read every single one.
See you in the next video. Bye.